Of the fridge. I have kept a little cold drink for you too. Bring it too.
What?
Get up now. Get up.
Sheila, life is too risky with whiskey. What you say?
Wow, Pandu, seems you are a poet too. You are really a dark horse. Okay? What is this, Panduram? So much so that even if I take it without water, I will fall here. Add some beer to it.
Beer? I have already drunk that inside the fridge. And now I have also urinated. It's gone. The real dirty game will begin now.
What do you mean, Panduram?
Nothing. Sheila, you just take this drink. Let's have a drink together. Cheers. Sheila, you know about a real man? His true character and true nature is completely visible only in the dark room.
What do you mean, Panduram?
Means tonight I will definitely do. Today you will come to know which tiger or lion you have encountered, okay? Come on. You drink light alcohol and I drink hard by adding this Silajit in it, okay?
What is this, Panduram?
This is local Viagra.
Okay, Panduram, now you dance. Monkey type, okay? Come on, start. Come on, do it.
You want to see dance? I will show you.
Yes.
What's in it? We will dance. We will do strip dance, okay?
No, Pandu. That's Salman Khan dance.
Salman bro dance. Okay, I will do that. Only 4 days to live, rest are useless days. Once you go young, you don't come again. Only 4 days to live, rest are useless again. Once you go young, you don't come again. Only 4 days to live, rest are useless days. Once you go young, you won't come again. Once you go young, you won't come again. Only 4 days to live, rest are useless days. Once you go young, you don't come again. Only 4 days to live, rest are useless again. What you say?
Yes. Panduram, now we will do something else.
No. Now the real sex game will start. Now our sex night will start. Okay? I will bring out rocket from my pocket and make you sit there and I will show you full moon night. Okay? Now you tell me which way you prefer. In your hand or in mouth.
What nonsense is this? Don't you feel ashamed to say like this?
This is not nonsense. I am talking about sacrament only. You forgot to eat prasad. Have it, okay? Now I am going to warm oil. Till then you take off your clothes. Please remove it, okay? Otherwise I will remove it, okay? Let me come and we will start our program. I am coming.
I have come here just to do praying, but it seems now Panduram is really going to do my game over here. Drunken Panduram become a last ridden guy. Now what shall I do?
Whether it is Sunday or Monday, eat eggs regularly. Add Silajit in milk and use rhino oil. Sheila. Oh, naughty girl. Oh, honeybee, where did you go? Hey, naughty girl. Where are you disappeared now? Look, the oil is hot. The hammer is also hot too. Come first. Then do not say again the oil has cooled down. Has she come? Pussycat. Pussycat. Meow. Where have you gone to? Come out. If oil get cooled, then don't tell me, okay? Where did you go? Are you hiding inside freeze like me? She is not here too. Where did you go? She was roaming like a big lion. Now do not know where she is hidden in the hole like a mouse. You don't know how much danger I am. I am very danger guy, okay? I will kick once and the door break. Now I will break the door. Come out.
Hey Panduram, don't do overacting. Door is closed from inside.
I know. Hey, who said this? Where are you hiding? Come out. Come out. She. If you don't come out in my 3 counts, I will go out and shout thief, thief, thief. 1. 1. 2. Not like this. Thus 2 and 3. Sheila, wake up now.